In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M56 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, launch it and hit OK in the pop-up. Now to activate it, go into Tab menu. Add it thanks to this pen at the top right corner. Hit Edit over here. And pick Caffeine shortcut from available buttons at the bottom. When you find it, hold it, drag it to your current ones, place it wherever you want to and let go. Then hit Done at the top right corner. Select Done again and click on your Caffeine shortcut. To use this switcher next to Allow Permission. After all that, when you go back to Tab menu and click on your shortcut, Infinite Sleep Time is on. To turn it off, tap on the same one until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!